Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to this channel. So, in this video, what we're going to talk about is what Legendary Marketer is, what it is. Is it a pyramid scheme? Is it legit? What do they sell? Does it cost? And everything that you need to know about it. So, what Legendary Marketer is a big company that's been around for, you know, 10 years, over 10 years, I should say. And it's basically, well, it would be an understatement to say that they sell courses. It's a lot more than that. Actually, what it does is, yes, they'll give you a step-by-step course on everything that you need to know. If you're a beginner, if you're advanced, no matter what, they will tell you how to actually make some money because, you might see people doing that, but you don't see what they do on the back end and all of that. So they'll talk about value ladders, which, if you're unsure what that is where you start with a small price and then scale it up. So that's one of the concepts that they teach you about, obviously a lot more in depth. But why I say it's an understatement is because they'll actually have an advisor that will carry you through basically the whole process if you have any questions, because a lot of courses where you have some sort of guru that's right up on the front and do a course and they're out, that's it, this course is sold. If you have any questions, too bad, find it out yourself. That's what it is. But Legendary is a lot different, and that's why they've been around for more than 10 years, because they have a ton of people that are working on the back end, and also they have a huge Facebook groups with a ton of people. Some are beginners, some are more advanced, and some people, you can ask questions in that group if you're part of Legendary, and you can just, ask questions, and most likely you'll get a good answer from somebody. So is it a pyramid scheme? As you probably guessed, it's not. It's just basically they teach you marketing, and they do promote highly, affiliate marketing, because that's a big concept that if you're a beginner, affiliate marketing is going to be your best bet, because you don't have to worry about customers, you don't have to worry about employees, you don't have to worry about, any of that stuff. All you have to do is marketing. So if you've never done any sort of business whatsoever and you're just starting out, maybe you just want to focus 100% on learning how to, market. And that's what they teach you the most. And that's what's going to get you the results. And that's why, you earn while you learn and all that stuff. So that is what it is. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's just some, a great company that actually helps people out. So it's 100% legit. There's no question about that. When I first started, I wasn't making, I wasn't sure how to do that. I had made some commissions before, but just being lucky basically. But when I first started with Legendary, which wasn't that long ago, I started getting in some results. Now, I'm not going to tell you that I earn, 6 figures or 7 figures or whatever it may be. However, it just sits in the belief when you get a sale, a second sale, a third sale, and so on. It just makes you believe it more and more that you can actually do this. Now, it is going to take some work. It's a legit business. It's not somebody that, I'm not going to tell you that money falls from the sky, but you can actually make some money doing this. What do they sell? They sell, the very first thing that you want to go through is the 15-day challenge. If you come from TikTok, you've probably seen this before. If you don't, you can follow me on TikTok. I'll actually put the link in the description. But you'll probably come across the 15-day challenge, and that's only costs $7. So $7, is the price of a cup of coffee. And actually, a lot of, like, when I first heard about this, I was like, you're telling me that a course costs $7, where, all these gurus sell courses for $999, but this one is $7, and you're telling me that, like, it costs only, like, there's more value with only $7? And so I was very skeptical about that, and that's why I didn't join in at the beginning. But actually, it's just about the value ladder. So for $7, you have everything that I just talked about. And obviously, since it's a legit company that knows how to make money, they will have some upsells. And by the way, the upsells are awesome, but don't think that you have to buy an upsell to make some money. There's a ton of people that are making money just from, the Facebook group and the stuff that they teach you in the 15-day challenge, which only costs $7. So they'll have that. They'll have, so they have some upsells that cost, quite a bit of money, and there's a ton of them. But basically, start with $7 and see, well, if you want to do that, and you can just start with $7, and that will help, see what you want to go, if you want to go with the upsell or you don't. But make sure that if you join the Facebook group as soon as possible, because that will help you immensely. Now, obviously, a lot of people are talking about Legendary Marketer because they have a great affiliate program. Now, I'm one of these people, because I believe in the company, and that's one thing that if you're an affiliate, I'll be making more videos about affiliate marketing. But if you're an affiliate marketer, you want to have a company that you actually believe in, and you probably can tell I quite like that company. And by the way, if you've enjoyed this video so far, make sure you give me one of these, and let's get on to the next points. So I've already answered about how it works because I've got my notes on my computer. Is it worth it? As I said, 100%. If you've never made any money online, and if you're tired of buying all these courses from a ton of different gurus and never make any money, I really suggest, spending $7. Like $7 is actually nothing, like it's a cup of coffee. So, I'll have a link in the description, and you can just buy or not buy, and see more about that. So how do you make money with Legendary Marketer? There's a ton of ways. So obviously the most common way and the easiest way is through affiliate marketing, and their affiliate program, as I said, is great. But there's a ton of people that have done way different things. There's someone that's promoting something with what he learned at the 15-day challenge. Like, I don't even think he bought the upsells, and he's selling coffee, and his coffee brand, like, they're selling out like crazy, and I forgot his name, but it's selling out like crazy. And there's people that are selling their own stuff, different affiliate programs. So don't think that Legendary Marketer is just promoting their stuff, because that does sound like a pyramid scheme, and I would understand why you would think that. But really, like, you can sell, they'll just teach you marketing, so you can sell anything that you want. Their program is awesome, their company is awesome, that's why a lot of people are promoting it. But you don't have to only you don't actually have to sell any of that stuff. You can sell their competitor stuff if you want to, you can sell their stuff, you can sell your own stuff. They just teach you how to actually make some money, because it's not as straightforward as putting something like spamming your link in front of people, and that doesn't work. So I hope that answers a lot of questions. Obviously, I'll be making more videos about Legendary Marketer and affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in any of that, and you want some free stuff, just subscribe. Also, if you're interested in Legendary Marketer, there's a link in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.